My name's Zach, and today I'm going to show you how to make it so your Kindle isn't auto-rotating. First, I'm going to start off by turning my Kindle on and unlocking it. Next, in order to get to my quick settings, I'm going to go up top and slide down. And in this top left-hand corner, you can see that it says unlocked. What unlocked means is if I turn my Kindle sideways, it's going to rotate sideways. Now, in order for me to get it so it doesn't rotate sideways, I'm going to hit the unlocked again. And now it is locked sideways. So if I turn it upright, it's going to stay sideways. But if I unlock it, tilt it up, and there we are. It is back to upright, and I'm going to hit the unlocked one more time. And now it won't go sideways anymore. That's all there is to it. My name's Zach. Thanks for watching.